One of the biggest questions I always get is how much will it cost me to buy a home? This largely depends on what your down payment for your mortgage is. They can range anywhere between 3.5% to 20%. That just depends on what program you have and how much you're putting down. Some of those loans only require 3.5% down. FHA is one of those more popular options. Other people may look to put a bigger down payment down, so that way they have less to finance, i.e. a lower monthly payment. Now, in combination to that down payment will be your closing costs. I always tell people budget between 3 to 5%, 5% on the higher end for your closing costs. Those are going to be the two moving parts for the total money out of your pocket, with the exception of your home inspection and any other inspections that you have done. The closing costs are going to basically cover all of your prepaids, your home insurance, your prorated taxes, any HOA fees, capital contributions, stuff like that. So let's make it really simple, easy math. You got a $100,000 property under contract, 5% for your down payment, you have 5% for your closing costs. Combined is 10% for your total out-of-pocket expense, i.e. 10% of $100,000 is $10,000.